There's a good chance that you use palm oil every day without even knowing about it. It's an ingredient in products as diverse as shampoo, toothpaste, chocolate, and detergent, and even sometimes used in the fuel in our cars. It's virtually everywhere. But some palm oil has a dirty secret: forest destruction. Indonesia's rainforests are being cleared to make way for palm oil plantations. Indonesia is a treasure chest of biodiversity. It is home to up to 15% of all known species of plants, mammals, and birds. But their homes are disappearing, with as few as 400 Sumatran tigers left in the wild. The lives of millions of Indonesians who depend on the forests are also changing beyond recognition. From land conflicts to forest fires and displacement. And that's not to mention the impact forest destruction has on our climate. Indonesia's peatlands are vast, storing about 35 billion tons of carbon. When they're drained, burned, and replaced by plantations, the conditions are set for devastating forest fires, and stored carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. So that's what we risk if forests are destroyed. But how does this affect you? Palm oil plantations sell their palm oil fruit to traders. From there, it's sold to huge corporations that make products we find on our supermarket shelves. This is how dirty palm oil is laundered through global markets. But tiger and forest-friendly palm oil is possible. The world's biggest trader has already committed to sustainable palm oil, and other big brands are following suit by cleaning up their supply chains. You have the power to make it happen. Remember those household brands you use? Well, it's time they made a commitment to be tiger and forest friendly. Join the movement to protect paradise.